Oh baby, there she is. Yeah, buddy. Good morning, guys. What's going on today? So I just wanted to start this video off. It's a nice sunny day. It's warm out. Trans Am's just sitting here, sitting pretty, getting ready for summer, right? So I got a couple parts put away for this thing. Shoveled it out. You guys can see we like to party. So I can't wait to get this thing back out. This thing's such a blast to drive, right? So besides that, we're heading back to the shop. We're gonna get Chad's car on primer. So once the Supra's on primer, we can get ready and paint the bay. So if you guys haven't checked out the last video, make sure to check it out, right? So here, I'll even give you guys a quick cold start. Also, another thing, Chad and I have been looking at our dealer's license. So I finally got all the paperwork for that. So that's something to work towards. But here, we'll do a quick cold start on the duramax. You can hear the lift pump turn on. Starts every time. So guys, this is Mike's IS300. It's got a 2JZ setup in it with a built trans. You can see, beautiful car. It's kind of hard to see in there. The sun's coming up. Nice duckbill. So yeah, 2JZ. He's going turbo, but right now it's just all motor. So keep an eye out for this one on the channel too, guys. We got a lot of stuff coming up here. So she's gonna start taking off. We're just showing them your whip. Oh, yeah. 2JZ, bud. And there's Nova. I told him keep an eye out on the channel. Little drift slap. So okay, so this is what Mike's coming up now for the R154 trans. What'd you make? Tell me what you made.
New shifter. The other one was well, you can see was, you know, this crazy homemade rigging.
Chad made that a long time ago.
So I made a new one. So we had some stainless laying around. So we had some of this hollow stainless, which, well, seems to be, you know, kind of on the weak side when you're reefing on some gears.
Yeah. So
I had some solid
stock.
Yeah, some solid stock. So what I did, I just jammed, so power that in there on that end, power that on that end, so it stiffens each end because it's strong in the middle.
Yeah.
Just make it weak at the weld.
And then that's what you come up with.
That's what I come up with there. And now I'm just gonna finish the weld up at the drill end.
Pretty colors.
Always.
So yeah, guys, we'll show you another update on that as soon as he gets it done and threaded. And then yeah, Supra's coming along. Chad's got the angle kit coming along. That stuff off. So now you guys can see actually what's in here. So we're gonna pull the bump stop off too.
Yeah, we're gonna hack off. I don't know if you can see.
Yeah, get a light real quick.
In the car. Yeah.
So bump stop's right here. And we're gonna take that off. We're gonna hack this off.
Then we just
Get it out of the way.
Then we get our angle.
We're gonna get more angle out of it. And then we'll probably have to put inch spacers or
Yeah.
something.
So that's what's going on with that, boys.
That will be all in the video too.
Yeah. So we pulled the wiper motor off and got that out. We pulled the clutch master out so we could get it real sanded, all inside, all in behind.
Really rough shape.
Yeah. So Chad's gonna order another one of these tonight just because she was ready to come right apart.
Yeah.
It even backed off itself, but pull that rubber off real quick. And behind the rubber you can see that it was like seeping, slamming gears. See inside. It's all beat up, so floppy dick.
Yeah, she's no good. I mean, it still works, but we're just getting... That'll probably fit my truck for repair. My truck though.
Yeah, eh? Yeah, same thing. Yeah, yeah.
So easy to clean.
The old window from the truck.
So easy to just, yeah, the old window from the truck.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, buddy. You gotta go fast, Bart?
We gotta go fast, Bart.
Mike Brofab.
Mike Profab.
So, tell him what you did, Mike.
That's my R154 shifters. Delete this crooked thing.
Yeah, so this thing's seen better days.
Oh yeah, socket shifter. I made a brand new stainless steel one.
Do you remember what this was, man? Do you remember why I did this? No. This was right before we were supposed to go to the track.
No
And it was
doubt.
too short for me to get her in gear, so we added a socket.
So that's your other one that you had, Mike? And then what is
Yeah.
it? What is this? This is a...
Well, that's just a Merlin Crawler upgraded one.
Okay.
I forget what the other one.
Yeah, it's gonna be real sick.
I got it a little longer than his, just because I wanted it a little longer.
Well, that was the length that yours was in your car, right?
Yeah, and I loved it at that length.
Yeah.
Where's your shift knob?
I don't know, that's what I'm looking for, man.
It's that little black box. I gave it to you.
No, I just had it in my hand.
All right, so you're gonna try this in... You're gonna try this in the trans, eh?
Just get the right end on it.
That's sick. Looks really good, Mike. Did a good job.
Yeah.
So we'll have these for sale too if you guys are interested for your R154 trans.
Need a core though.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you just
that's the
need
big thing.
we do need the core for the
I only have
for this
2.
too. So I mean, well, it's something we can get machined down here most likely, but if
Yeah, I mean,
if you guys are interested, let us know.
I have a stainless steel nut.
that we could like.
Jam nut.
Yeah, just to so it only goes so far.
Might not, I'm not sure.
Instead of blowing it through the
I
end.
know it's gonna, it's gonna blow right to the end there. Oh man.
Okay, let's try her.
All right, let's put her in. I'm gonna shift right fast.
You got your racing seat set up?
Oh, dude, let me get her going.
Yeah, move,
Go get my wheel. It's in the truck.
move the
Oh,
Supra.
get you didn't show the wheel.
No. I don't know where you put it.
In the truck.
Chad picked this up last night. Nerdy wheel. That looked good in Supra. Right? Here, hold your wheel by.
Dude, I'm gonna go right fast.
No way.
You gotta get me e-brake too, or I'm going for a drive, boys. See you later.
Motor's a little high.
Yeah.
Motor's facing the wrong way. We got the backwards drive section. Look at me go. We're going racing, Nova.
Feels nice though, eh?
Oh, dude, that's gonna. I can't wait to just blow third right through the side of the case. Oh! Boom! Boom!
That's gonna be sweet,
Dude,
though.
I'm so excited. That's gonna look good in the car show, just sitting like that. And like right before I put it into the wallet, Miramichi, Monster's gonna look good.
Well, that's what you got the hydraulic e-brake for, just in case.
so I don't put it into the wall.
Yes.
Fuck, Mike. Thanks, bud. That's so sick.
That's awesome.
Oh.
So the bay's fully sanded too. Basically, what's going on now is we're just gonna start taping stuff off. We're actually gonna drop the subframe, pull these tops off, tape that off, tape the car off, suspension, and then she's ready for primer, boys.
Might be like,
Turves. Looks sick, eh?
Looks nuts. Yeah, that's wild. It's so messy, dude. It was so messy.
Cool.
So much stuff was messed up, dude. Those two young and stuff.
Alright guys, so we just got this thing all actually taped up and ready for primer. So tonight Chad's actually going to go over and get a new, what are you getting, a water separator?
Yeah, and a regulator.
And a regulator.
Two apart.
Yeah, so we can regulate the pressure for the gun tomorrow, so we can prime this thing. So we just gave it a good wipe down. We'll give it one more final wipe down before we spray it. And she should be one color tomorrow, boys.
One color.
Yeah. So
Well, it's gonna be primer time.
yeah, we won't have it painted tomorrow, but we'll have it on primer.
Yeah.
And then we'll show you guys what we get for a color.
Yeah, because
We got a good idea.
probably a four. Well, see what goes on with that Dodge.
Yeah, so we got the Dodge that's for sale. So like I said, if anybody's looking for a nice truck, I'll
We got
have.
a Dodge for sale. We got a Mazda 3 coming up for sale.
Yeah,
2007.
We
Really
have-
good shape. One owner or two owner, like really clean.
that
car.
white one, eh?
Yeah, the white one. Yeah, I don't know if it's ever been in any videos or anything, but
No, I don't think we had it in, but
yeah, really clean car.
so yeah, guys. So we just wanted to show you how far we got today, and then Mike's actually gonna try that intake again tonight to make sure. Is it tonight or tomorrow?
Yeah.
You're gonna get that looked at and make sure that fits, and then he's gonna finish taking that all up. So
We already showed the shifter.
yeah, and then we showed the shifter earlier. So
That's sick.
but all right, guys. So like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you on the next one.